As a U.S. Marine, we work hard, we play hard.
After the workday is finished, you go home to your barracks or your house, wherever you're living at, and that time is yours until you have to go to work the next day. You can do whatever you want.
There's so many things to do on base. Surf clubs, triathlon clubs, those are kind of things that appeal to my interest, but they have shooting clubs, we have bowling, you know, a lot of things that are just out on town we have here on base.
Most of the time I'll be on base. I spend a lot of time at the gym. Other than that, I'll be at the barracks, hang out with my friends on the weekends. We might go off out into town.
Athletics is very important in the Marine Corps. Not only do we have a lot of sports fans, but the athletics themselves and the different sports help keep a Marine physically fit in addition to our physical training program.
Any sport that you can play out in the civilian side, you can play here on base.
They have joint education centers throughout the bases, throughout the Marine Corps, which not only hold classes for Marines, but they also assist any Marines in enrolling and completing their education outside of the base during their tour.
You can do higher education, which I highly recommend. I took full advantage of that, and that, again, leads to more opportunities within the Marine Corps.
Not only do you get great training while you're in the Marine Corps, you get to meet a diverse group of people. Travel and adventure, you know, that sounds like a recruiting poster right there, but it really is a great part of being a Marine, is being able to get out and gain life experiences, and you gain those with people that you live with and work with and trust on an intimate basis.
Marines are definitely more than warriors. You may not realize it, but you know, your staff NCO may be coaching a Little League game. Your Lance Corporal may be staying after school as a tutor. We are out in the community. We are leaders anywhere and everywhere we go.
The Marine Corps does an excellent job of providing us with facilities and resources to fully enjoy our family life. There's a park on literally every corner, and places like this, water parks, like I said, the sports are phenomenal. The kids get to be a part of things that they wouldn't normally be able to be a part of.
I have a husband who's also an active duty Marine, and I have 2 sons. They're my family, and the Marine Corps is my Marine Corps family, but I can tie them all into one.
It is true that Marines are on call 24 hours a day, but we have similar work schedules to a lot of people out in town. Holidays, you'll get those off too. When you get your time off, the Marine Corps will make sure of it. You get plenty of time on liberty.